Hi, this is Nathan Tintle. In this video, we are going to talk about the Can Dogs Sniff Out Cancer dataset, part of the Introduction to Statistical Investigations textbook. You know that dogs have an amazing sense of smell. Researchers were interested in whether they could smell cancer. They used a dog, Marine, who's an 8-year-old Labrador Retriever who was originally trained for water rescues. Now what they did with Marine is they gave her a bag that contained a breath sample from someone who had colorectal cancer. Then they let Marine sniff 5 other bags. Now, one of the other bags contained a breath sample from another person with the same kind of cancer. The other 4 bags contained samples from people without cancer. They then had Marine sit next to the bag that she thought was from someone who had cancer. The null hypothesis here is that Marine is randomly guessing which bag to choose. In other words, that her long-run probability is 20%, 1 out of 5. The alternative hypothesis is that Marine is not randomly guessing which bag to choose. Her long-run probability is not 20. Now, Marine actually chose correctly 30 out of 33 times. This gives us an extremely small p-value, essentially 0, because you're not going to get 30 out of 33 happening just by chance if the long-run probability is 20%. That's rarely going to happen. So this is very strong evidence that Marine is not randomly guessing. So how good is she doing? Well, she got 91% of her trials correct, but we know that Marine's true long-run probability of picking the correct bag is probably not exactly 91%, because this is only a sample of 33 trials. But what more can we say about what we view that value of the long-run probability to be? That is, we know it's not 20. We think it's probably close to 91, but how close? We'll talk more about that in other learning goal videos associated with this data set.